Hey, do you wanna increase your communication and also your speaking English level? Then you're in the right place. You are able to practice and you are able to communicate with different people, especially foreign people. So let's get started. So you need to go on the Chrome browser, then you have to search free4talk. Then you have to search here. You need to enter, then you will see this kind of interface after uh, doing the search. Then what you have to do, you have to click on the free4talk website. Then you have to sign in. You'll see here the rooms, how you can use right now. So for using this site, you have to first sign in and need to continue. Click on the continue button, then it will log in automatically. Okay, so how you can use right now, click on English again, then it will select only. Try to practice English here. It will improve if you practice every day, every single day, then it will improve your communication level, speaking level, networking, lots of things. I'm using this site for last 2 years or more than 2 years. It will be 3 years in October 10th. So here, so let's go forward to the next step, how you can use create. Now as you can see here, like create a new group, plus icon, you have to click on the plus icon, then you can see here topic, uh, and no need to put topic at the beginning because you will be unverified that time. Okay, so for verification you need 15 follower. Just keep using and keep trying to talk with different people, then it will be verified automatically. Try to build connection with people. Okay, then what you have to do right now, maximum people limit, as much as like I will recommend you to 5 people is enough in the beginning. And then click on the level option, and then you what's your level you can choose, or you can select here as default like any level. Okay, then right now need to create the group. The create group, you have to click on the create group setting icon, then you will see the group owner name, the my name you can see here. So right now, join and talk now. Click on the join and talk now button, then again click on anywhere to start. Yeah, you can see here. Okay, use free4talk and enjoy your communication and English journey. If you are a freelancer, if you are a business owner, you can use this site for improving your communication level or speaking English level. Feel free to comment in my video. If you find this video well, like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel.